walk like this, talk like this, look like this, you could never. Bad red bone from the south, riding around hitting licks with a yellow. Bitch so bad when I walk past, niggas sing my name a cappella.
Hey guys, I'm back. I'm back on my mom's channel once again, doing a summer skincare routine for you guys because y'all are always asking me, am I wearing makeup? Does she have on mascara? Such and such and such. And I never wear makeup, y'all. These are my real lashes. This is my skin. All I do is my skin routine. The only type of makeup I wear is lip gloss. That's really it. And I curl my lashes too, but with eyelash curler. That is all I do. So I'm going to do a skincare routine for you guys because you have been requesting it. And I am in my bathroom, as you can see my robe and everything. If you can hear the noises and everything in the background. But please give this video a big thumbs up before I start this video. And what was I finna say until next time? That's not it. But please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below more videos you want, and let's get into the video. Okay guys, so good thing about my skincare routine is everything put together is under $20. You know, we got a ball on the budget over here, clothes, etc. Ball on the budget. Don't be spending too much money. Stuff be good, that's like $3. It still be good. But everything all together is under $20. So I'm going to put my hair back. That's usually what I do. I'm gonna put my hair back. See my edges? I put my hair back because I always put my hair back. I'm gonna put this over my edges so when my face gets wet, it doesn't mess up my edges. My mom gave this to me. It says the queen is sleeping, you know. MsQueenificent, you know. But she gave me this so I can use it. I use it when I'm sleeping sometimes, not all the time. But I use it mainly just to cover this. So there we go. I'm gonna put this over my edges so it's just my face. So the first thing I do, I use this Dove non-fragrant soap for sensitive skin. It's only $6. I usually get it from Dollar General, and I only have a little left, don't judge me. But I'm gonna wash my face with my soap, and I'm using a white soap. I'm gonna wash my face with a white towel. I said a white soap, but I'm gonna wash my face with a white towel because let's save water. But I'm gonna wash my face with a white towel because if you use colored towels, they usually have dyes in them. When you take baths, I know that if you rinse it out, like if you squeeze it out, you'll see the dye. So it's better to use a white towel so you don't get it doesn't mess with your skin. But I'm gonna wash my face. I like to wet my face first and then I'll put the soap on it. Don't rub your face too hard, because especially if you have sensitive skin like me. I have very sensitive and dry skin. Okay, so now that my face is washed off, I'm gonna take my Dove non-fragrance sensitive skin soap and put it on my face. But I don't let soap sit on my face. I just massage it in there so I can get clean. So I put this on my face. I just massage it in there. Make sure my skin is clean before I put anything else on it. And then when I'm done putting this on my face, I'll rinse it off. Some people let soap sit on their face. I find that very unnecessary because soap can break your skin out if you let it stay on there and dry out. But I'm just cleaning this. Okay, I'm gonna rinse this off, guys. I rinsed my face off. Now I'm just drying it off with the towel I used before. So next, this is my little skincare carrier thing. My mom gave me this too. It's really cute. It's cute little rose gold with stars, but it's cute. So I use this bag for my skincare stuff. But in here I have my Noxzema. This is my best friend. This is my favorite part of my skin routine, minus my coconut oil because it makes me glow. But this is the Classic Clean Deep Cleansing Cream. Now this I do let sit on my face, and it's about $4 from where I get it from Walmart. So it's like $4. You have to shake it up. This, get the blue one, not the purple one, basically. So it's the Classic Clean Deep Cleansing Cream. I put it spots on my face and then I rub it in. So now I'm gonna rub it in. Now, from when I went over to sleepovers with Aubrey, she uses Noxzema too, and it burns, but not like really bad. Like it's just, it doesn't even, to me it doesn't hurt, but when I've tried it, when I've let other people try it, they would say it burns, but it doesn't really burn that bad. That's just how you know it's working. My mirror's behind here, so. Okay guys, so I usually let this sit until it's like dry enough on my face. I'm gonna let this sit until it's dry, and I'll be back with you guys. Guys, I rinsed it off, finna dry it off. But next I'll go in with my gold peel off mask. I only have a little left, but I use this Galaxy Gold Peel Off Mask. I don't know where I got it from. Oh no, I got it from Target for $2. It was around $2. But as I put this on, guys, how's y'all summer been? My summer has been really good. I put this on my forehead and under my eyes and my nose. But how's y'all summer been? My summer has been really good. I've been working, trying to look for another job, but I have been working, you know, make big bank, little bank. But I make some money for myself. But if y'all want me to do a video on like how to make money during the summer, I'll do that for y'all, so y'all can like make money before high school starts, especially if you're about to be a junior. I'll do that for y'all because I'm about to be a junior. Anyway, sorry. If y'all want to see that video, please give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below too if you want to see it. Give this video 1,000 likes and I'll do the video for you. I promise. My mirror is back here, as I said. So I'm looking in the mirror. But okay, so I put that on right there. And put a little more. Have y'all been to the pool? I haven't been to the pool yet, and I really want to go. I think I'm gonna go, like this week, one day. I forgot to put this on my nose. I forgot my whole nose. So I'm gonna let this dry so I can peel it off. I'm gonna be back later to come peel it off with y'all. Guys, it's dry. As you can see, it's peeling from my lips, but I'm gonna peel this off. Don't judge me if I make any faces, because this hurts and it's tight, so when I smile, I can't even smile. But here we go. Do not judge me because my face is gonna break. But y'all ever try to peel off a mask and you try to get it like one good pull so it don't break? That's what I be trying to do, but I be too aggressive. Ooh, oh, we got that side over there. See, the nose is gonna be hard because you have blackheads and pores and stuff. That's why I use this mask to peel off. Oh Jesus! It's like that what's that mask called? That charcoal black, that black charcoal mask everybody was using. at some point. Okay, we got that off. Woo-wee. The forehead. Oh, okay, y'all. We peeled that off. There's excess that I'll wipe it off with my towel. Okay. So that's that. I'm gonna wipe the excess off with my towel. Oh, guys. My skin. Have y'all seen any movies? Because I really want to see some movies. I've been watching movies on my TV, but you know what? I just watched this movie yesterday called Proud Mary, and I've seen it a lot, but I just love that movie. Like, Taraji, she killed it with that little boy. Oh my god. It's emotional. It's a nice, strong relationship. I just love that movie. I love, I watch a lot of movies. If y'all want to see a video, if y'all want to see a video of my favorite movies, I will do that for y'all. Comment down below and give me likes, because I would love to do that. Like, my favorite top 20 movies. Oh yes, because I'll be watching movies all day. But my favorite movie at the moment, even though it been came out last year, is Proud Mary, because they still be showing it on TV, and that's just a good movie. And my favorite, I just watched it again. I saw it once, but I watched it again the other day because I just forgot what happened, so I watched it. It's called Venom. It's a Marvel movie. Yes. Like the Avengers. I still need to see Endgame, but I need to see Endgame, y'all. I really want to see Endgame. But my favorite Marvel movie is Venom. That's probably my favorite hero or villain, whatever he is. But I peeled that off. So now the last thing, well, this ain't the last thing, but I'm going with my Luana, whatever. But Luana coconut oil. I use this as my moisturizer now. If I'm going out, I'll use my Jergens lotion. It's about 57 cents. I use the travel size, so I usually buy the travel size. It's 57 cents if you go to Walmart. But this is about $3.68. This whole thing, and this thing lasts so long. I've had this for so long, and I still got a lot in here. But I take this. Oh, as I was saying, I use lotion if I'm going out, but if I'm staying in the house, I use this. So I use this much. A little goes a long way. So I just put this on my face as my moisturizer. So I'm about to put this on. It gives my skin a nice glow. Keep it moisturized. And some way I feel like it cleared my skin. Because I have really dry skin. And it just keeps my skin nice and moisturized. So I'm about to put this on. Oh, and this is why people be asking me, do I be wearing lashes and stuff? I put this on my lashes too. If I'm not going out, I'll put it in the morning so it can be on all day, and at night so it can soak in my eyelashes. But I put this on my eyelashes too. Like with my hand, there's some on there, and I just go like this. Like that. Get it in there. Cause people be asking me at school, do you have on lashes, girl? Your lashes cute. I be like, no, these are just my lashes. But I have really long lashes because of this coconut oil. Coconut oil really helps your brows and your lashes grow. You can put it in your hair too. It says on the bottle you can use it for food. You can use it for moisturizing. It says on the bottle back here. But yes, I'll put this on. And then the last thing, good old fashioned Carmex for $1 at your local Kroger or any other store. But I use Carmex and I put that on my lips. Keep my lips moisturized. And that is it. This is the end of my summer skincare routine 2019, you know. But anyway, if you want more videos like this, please spam in the comments below. I'll pop in every now and then. Y'all know I'm not a YouTuber. This is my mom's channel. It's summertime and I'll be working, so if I have time, I'll pop in on here. But when school come up, I'm gonna be at school. I'm not really gonna be on here like that. But if y'all want me to do some videos in the summer, spam it down below in the comments. Like this video, give it 1,000 likes if you want me to do more summertime videos. Put the ideas you want in the comments and I'll be sure to do that for you. Subscribe to our YouTube family. Follow all my mom's social media accounts. They will be in the description like always. Snapchat gets first dibs as always. And until next time, you guys, bye.
Oh, you cute or whatever. Okay. Okay.
I had to hop off the porch and go get it. I went to pick up the torch and then lit it. They tried to tell me I can't, but I did it. When I pull up, bitches look like they shit it. I had to start from the motherfucking bottom.